everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a quick kind of collective haul from Michaels. I finally went to the Michaels, yay! Anyways, not much success, but I found some few things. I was actually going in there for some paper. I also went to Dollar Tree, but it was nothing there. Anyways, so let me go ahead and start off with my Michaels, and you guys saw a sneak peek right there. So my paper that I went to go get, this 100 cardstock. It's a 110 pound, and oh my goodness, 110 cardstock, 100 sheets. It's $9.99 right now. I think today might be the last day for the sale, which is Saturday. So if you're near Michaels or you do online shopping and do a pickup, I suggest that you go over and yeah, go give them $9.99. It's not bad. It's usually $15.99, I believe. So right now it's an awesome deal, I think. And then if you have a military or teacher's discount, you get an additional percentage off on that one. So anyways, that's one. And then I was actually going through my there's one of their clearance items, or actually walked around. And so let me go and just show you before I show you the clearance stuff. So I got this belt. I got this one, and I got a blue one, and then here I've been using this up, you guys. I got this one, and I got the blue one. So there you guys go. So right now it's, I believe, 39 cents. If you use your military or teacher discount, you get an additional 15% off. So yay. So what did I end up using these for? So yay, look at you guys. I'm finally doing my little roses. So I have actually it's a 6/6, what is it called? Sizzix, a Stampin' Up! A rose die. And let me see if I can get it for you guys. This is what it is. It's a big one, so it makes it a little bit bigger. Roses, so awesome. So like I said, it is a Sizzix Stampin' Up! And actually it's this Stampin' Up! No longer sells it on their website, so you would have to go through eBay. That's where I got mine at a while back ago. So yay. So I'm starting to finally use it. So I got some felt so I can make some flowers. And then I found these. These are the adhesive sheet pack. And it comes 10 of them in each, and it was $2, you guys. So awesome deal for $2, not bad. I found that. And then I also found these, and I believe these were also $2. So if you're making a party or something, awesome way to have one of these. Or you know, if you want to do labels or anything, awesome. So I had to have these. And my last two items from Michaels. It wasn't a big purchase. It was a small purchase. I found these. This is a mismark. I know they're not $17.99. They were $5.97, and these are actually marked down to $1. So I went yesterday and got me 2 of them. And then once I realized how awesome these were, I had to go back this morning and get the rest. So luckily they were still there. So this is what I ended up doing. It's for the Spin It. It's for your glitters, and they have 2 different lids. These are two different lids that they have. So what I wanted, well, this is for the Spin It, the ones that you guys do the bottles and all that stuff. So what I did with these is these are from sequins from Hobby Lobby's last year when they were having their sequins clearance, and I still had a lot of them in these packets. And then I also had some of these in here. So as you guys could see, you can't really see the color, especially on this one. You couldn't really see the color. So this was so annoying, and I'm so glad to finally kind of get rid of these. I still love these. This is my favorite color, and you can still see this so clearly. So I am not replacing any of these. I'm replacing all these. And what I did is you can actually fit 2 sequins in one of these bottles, you guys. So look at, Isn't that awesome? And all you do, what I did, I'm not even going to use the lids on the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and open the bottle and use it up like that. So awesome. And then they fit on this Dollar Tree container. Let me see, like, so it's a Surefresh. Can you guys see a little bit? Yeah. So they fit about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this way and 6 this way, so I'll have 12, and I could just pull it out and just see the beautiness of it. So I still have to do all these that I have to be put in a bottle. So I am so excited to be using these cute little bottles. They're so cute and they're so convenient. Like I said, they fit 2 sequins in here, and the mouth on this is pretty big. So awesome. I love them. I just fell in love with them. I couldn't believe they were $1 and awesome to have. So I got rid of these. So as today when I went in, I realized that they had these. These are 50 cents, you guys. So I was like, I got me a few of these, 50 cents from 99 cents. But you know what? You could do so many things with this. You could do a shadow box, you could do a frame, you could do, oh my goodness, like possibilities are endless. When I was actually filling these up, some of them actually, since I had them in this container, they were like, I was filling them in here, and they actually fell in here, and they caught this so well. And I was like, oh my gosh, I could use this for my sequins, some of my sequins. So I could use them to catch, you know, for my projects. Oh my goodness. So like I said, the possibilities are endless to be using these little trays. If you happen to be there, look for them. I really highly recommend them. Anyways, thank you everybody. Oh wait, my Dollar Tree. It was just a small little thing. So let me show you what I got at Dollar Tree. Oops, sorry you guys. I got me this holographic filler paper. So it's kind of like tissue, and I got me these 2. I got these 2 different colors, and it's 4 in each one of them. And you have the silver one, there was this one, there was gold, there was a few other colors. It seems like they usually have the same colors repeated. So anyways, what did I do with these? So my friend Cruz sent me some of this crepe paper a while back, and I started using some of it, and some of it is from Hobby Lobby that I've purchased. So I went ahead and did this. I know Jersey Girl, I think Emily does this, and oh my gosh, I had to kind of like pick up the idea from her, and oh my gosh, I had so much fun. Cutting it was a pain, but oh my gosh, look at you guys, look at, and there's a few errors here and there, but oh my gosh, they turned out so cute. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.